Hello guys, it's been a long time and I'm very sorry for everything that has happened. I know some of you have subscribed to my channel for frequent updates on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Quant Network, all these other great projects going out there, VeChain, all these, and I'm sorry that I've been away for a long time. It's been like a month. I haven't made any video yet and I'm so sorry. This is my first video in a while. There's been things going on in my life. I think still it shouldn't be an excuse and I'm sorry. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna try to make frequent updates on everything that goes on. I promise daily and I'm going to try to do so. So today I'm going to talk about VerifyCar. This is something that's going to be big, I think so, because it's BMW. We know the power they have in the car industry, so that is something going on. And this is a joint thing between VeChain and BMW. BMW is going to build this on the VeChain network, and what it's going to do is it's going to track data of cars. It's going to track everything that happens with the cars that we use, insurance to repairing to the kilometers it has, to everything. So you can't cheat on this one. So that's it, because it's built on blockchain and we all know the power of blockchain when it comes to trust. So that's one great thing going out there. And this is something great because there has been some misunderstanding and people creating fight between BMW and VeChain. I know this is a long time that this happened, like about a month ago, and even this article came like April 22nd, so it's been like even over a month now since this article is out. So this not news or anything, I know, but this is great, this is big. So that's why I wanted to talk to you about today. And we all have heard the fight from other people regarding BMW and VeChain. People saying like they are just in their garage thing and there's not anything big or anything. But I think the person that represented VeChain and that represented BMW and talked about this relationship and everything during the VeChain summit this year said VeChain has successfully gone through the BMW Startup Garage program and BMW is still working with VeChain on a client-based relationship. So if they are working with someone on a client-based relationship, then that means they've passed with whatever they proposed, whatever they said they were going to do, and VeChain gave them BMW gave them the chance to, they've passed that one. So I think this is great to have. BMW is a great partner to have, and VeChain is doing great with partnerships. And sometimes I don't understand why they have this location on CoinMarketCap. Like, I know it's not just about pricing or anything, but sometimes too it doesn't make sense. They are on 27 position, number 27, 415 million, and I think it's not too bad or anything. I know we have like many coins out there, and right now like about 2,216, so being on number 27 is a great thing. But I think they deserve to be in the top 5 at least, or I should say probably top 3 based on partnerships alone. But I don't know why I'm not seeing that one in the pricing, and I think maybe there is something that we all have to look into to answer that question. So today I'm going to talk about VerifyCar, and all that we have to know is going to be a database. And right now it exists. It's just that when you go to a repair shop, then that repair shop has to keep records of the repair that you did and everything, and they have to keep that separately. When you go to an insurance company, they do the same, they keep that separately. BMW has to keep some records separately as well. And when it goes to the person selling their used car, then most of them end up cheating by trying to cheat the odometer, by manipulating it and trying to get a better price for their car by lying about the number of distance it has traveled and everything. So I think this is going to be great, and this is going to reduce the risk of buying a used car, because at the end of the day I'll be buying something that I know I can trust the data about. So if he says that this has traveled like 50,000 kilometers, then it's right, it has traveled 50,000 kilometers. If he said it has repair services on these parts and everything, replace that, replace this, then I think it's going to be great to have, and it's going to bring like trust into the process of buying used cars. So that's great. And I think there's not much to talk about regarding this one, because I think this is very practical. We all know the process of buying used car, right? And I think it's big as well. Many people ends up buying used cars instead of brand new car. Even if you are rich and you end up buying a brand new car, it will get to a time where you want to replace that car with a newer one, and that means you will have to sell the one that you have right now. And so you see, someone has to buy it from you. So if it's going to be easy for someone to trust the process and know that whatever you tell them, or whatever they assess on the blockchain about your car is right, is true, then I think it's a great thing to have. So that's it. One other thing that I've said, but I want to emphasize, is that BMW startup garage thing that VeChain was part of, right now they've passed that one. They've successfully gone through that process, and now they are like in a client-based relationship with BMW. And we all know how big BMW is when it comes to the car industry, and so it means that it's a great partner to have here. And as a startup like VeChain, I think this is great. This is something awesome. But I don't think we are surprised about them having a partner with, or at least having this client-based relationship with BMW, because they have some big names as well that we already know of. So that's it here, guys, and I wanted to make this clear to you. And one other thing that we have to talk about is what BMW as a company is trying to do with blockchain. And BMW is currently looking into how they can use blockchain powered applications within 3 areas. The number 1 is mobility services, 2 is supply chain, and 3 is customers. So they want to use this one to create like a service like Drive Now or Park Now. They want to implement blockchain technology to allow users to share cars, like what Airbnb has achieved in the housing market. So that's great. Another one is supply chain. It has a huge supply chain. Blockchain can be used as a better way to share information between all players in the chain. Part traceability and document management are 2 examples that the person that represented BMW at the VeChain Annual Summit talked about. And the last one is customers. Blockchain technology can be used to offer financial services or loyalty programs, and we all know the immutability of blockchain is what makes it great. It's what makes it awesome whenever you build anything on it, because it brings that trust. Because right now, if they are offering a loyalty program and every record is kept there, no one can erase it or anything, then it means that if you're part of it, then they can't cheat you. So guys, this is what I wanted to talk to you about. I wanted to make a video to let you know that I'm back and I'll be making videos. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Hit the notification button to not miss an update. So please help me grow. And my name is Philip. Here's Investors Vibe, and please come to my channel all the time to get updates. Thank you. Bye.